Okay, today we are talking about AI automation agency. And is there a demand for chatbots for businesses and industry? Right, let me share screen. Cool. Right, so is there a demand on this kind of chatbot where you can interact with your customers? We're going to break this up into three parts. So first part is 7 reasons why demand is skyrocketing. Part 2 is the business opportunity. And part 3 is the greatest challenge after you initially signed up your first few clients. All right, so to begin, part 1, the 7 reasons why demand is skyrocketing for AI automation agency is that, number 1, there is personalization. Businesses right now are increasingly looking for ways to tailor customers' experiences, which means happier customers. The efficiency part is that when you are able to automate routines, day-to-day operation, then it frees up the business from doing the grunt work. It allows people, their human resource, to do work way faster, have way more time to do their own thing, or use it for creativity, like creative thinking. So people are going to have way more fun than doing the good old boring work. And this is going to have like real world benefits. Imagine if you're able to work just a few days and have like a 4-day weekend every week. How would you feel about that? And it's not that far-fetched. Like when you look at what COVID has done in terms of the way we live now, most people was able to work from home and only go into work like 1 or 2 days a week, right? All right. Second one, data utilization. Being able to utilize data allows us to make better decisions. So chatbots can give us real-time answers when we need it, when it matters most. Churning from information in a huge pool of data and helping their customers get to the answer that they want quickly, or it can allow the businesses themselves to get informed and make decisions quickly. It also has a data integration component in that the chatbot can integrate seamlessly with existing business system. This is already happening. So their CRM, their enterprise system, it allows the data to flow smoothly between these things in really high accuracy, which means reducing any errors and rework. I've worked in corporate for like 15 years, and often errors get introduced when it's like last minute changes. However, when it comes to AI, we would be able to get to a point where we can just click refresh and all the new information would feed through all the data and ultimately all the reports that comes out. Okay, third thing, cost reduction. Saving money, like lowering labor costs, lowering operation costs. Being able to automate things like customer service or other repetitive tasks with the use of chatbots will significantly reduce labor costs. Yes, you're not going to have need as many staff, or you won't need as much time from those staff. It also allows for scalability. Chatbots can handle multiple interaction at any given time with a lot of people, which is not like a one-to-one when it comes to a person. This is very cost effective, especially during peak hours. And chatbots don't even get sick, nor do they complain. All right, 4, competitive advantage, staying ahead of the game. So businesses adopting advanced chatbot technology will allow them to stay ahead. And this is from things like providing superior customer service and operation efficiency. It also allows them to have that creative mind now that they have more free time to innovate, to do research, to get up to speed. Being an early adopter of industry-specific chatbot solution will put that business leader in their field. Right, 5, customer expectations. 24/7 availability. Customer have increased in their level of expectation over time. We want things instant. And to be able to let them be able to reach out to a business at any given time when it suits them globally, no matter what time around the world, is going to be a significant advantage, and it will make your customers much more happy. So that businesses are able to meet these high expectations, which are human staff typically cannot do that because they need sleep, they need all sorts of things, they need breaks, right? And don't have backup staff necessarily. So this allows us to cover the gaps in human resources, as well as customers' expectation of that instant gratification that is inexistent in our society. Like, we want things now. We want immediate assistance. We want customer service now. We do not want to wait a week. We do not wait. Like, any waiting time is going to put you in a disadvantage. Being able to attend to your customer immediately, right away when they need it, that's keeping up with modern times. 6, industry-specific application. There are so many industries that can benefit from this, but here's the top 4. Healthcare. Chatbots can manage patients' appointments, provide medical information, support telehealth services. Finance, they can assist with transactions, answering queries relating to banking products, providing financial advice, their product and services that are available. Legal is actually another really good one. Imagine all the case studies loaded up in a database where you can just pull them out. It will really help barristers, lawyers get the good cases that's relevant to put together their arguments for their clients, who they're fighting for. All right, retail. Chatbots can handle customer inquiries, manage orders, offer personalized product recommendation, which is going to be really, really huge, and education. They can support any student inquiries, provide educational resources, like going to this video, pointing them to the right supporting material that they are looking for the problem that they have right now. This is going to free up staff trying to answer the query and not knowing where it is. So all of these admin tasks are literally going to go away. 7, technological advancement. AI and machine learning. These chatbots are getting so smart. These are no longer chatbots that are like the branches ones that are really annoying, where you, is it about this thing? Tell me in a few ways, keywords, let me try and put you in the right place. Or is it this? Yes. Then you go down a branch. Is it this? No, it's not like that anymore. This AI machine learning is capable of handling complex tasks, like talking to a human. They are really smart now and can trawl through your database to find the right bits of information that a human will not be able to do in that time. They're relying on everything in their brain and organizational structure or folder system and search functions, which may not be that useful. Whereas an AI can trawl through everything you have as long as you put the inputs in and find the right piece of information for your customers. chatbots have also come to be able to understand and respond in a way that potentially is better than humans. Humans have emotions, which can sometimes irritate customers, whereas a chatbot can be programmed to talk always in a calming manner because they're not emotional based, and they'll be able to walk the customer through in languaging that can calm them down. And they'll be able to have those techniques fed through to this machine so that they give customers the best experience, depending on the situation that is at hand. So businesses leveraging chatbot will have a significant return on investment, ROI. Cha-ching! All right, let's dive into part 2, business opportunity. Look, this business opportunity, on how long is this window for opening an AI automation agency? How long do you have? Is it just a fleeting thing? It definitely is not. It is not. AI is here to stay because technology is continuously evolving. So there is ongoing innovation that is happening. The integration between businesses and what they have now needs work. So AI solution is going to get more sophisticated. There is a need for a human expert to handle these integration, to customize it for the businesses, to optimize it in a way that will allow the businesses to grow in the right way. The opportunity is there in terms of the transformation that will occur in businesses that is not widely seen yet. So we are in the early stages of digital transformation journey that we're on, and AI automation agencies are going to play a crucial part in guiding these transformations so that businesses can leverage AI. Most people are still stuck. Most businesses are still stuck in this, like, there's this, I think we all agree AI can help us. It's just the knowledge has not been imparted to the masses right now because we are so busy inundated with our routine work and just trying to keep up with that. So AI automation agencies are these subset of experts that will go into businesses to help them integrate what's possible now and to show them the way. And this is a training exercise that needs to occur for the staff as well. Adaptation to change. Right? Those who adapt, those who are most flexible are going to come out on top. And the opportunity for scalability and maintenance there, that means your service is going to be required for ongoing maintenance to help businesses scale because of this new knowledge, because of these resources. Industry specific, there's going to be increasing amount of knowledge base that will get fed into these AI machines for the tailored solution, for regulatory compliance. And that's going to be a huge thing. Agencies helping businesses, agency helping government to ensure it is compliant because these law-based and regulations are going to be very specific. And AI can help through a lot of these pain, but we will need humans and agencies to review what's been done to ensure that these compliance and regulations are met. Opportunity for cost reduction is there, of course, and the return on investment is just huge. It's going to be more than 10 times, like could be like 100 times. Like maximizing ROI is what businesses want. And when they can do that, it means the AI agencies' value that they're creating is huge for that. That human AI collaboration is going to be there. So if this is exciting to you, this is the time to get yourself upskilled to take advantage of this opportunity. Training yourself so you can train others. And basically keeping up with global market trend. We can't run away from it. Like people can hide under the rock, but this is going to take over. Just like a computer is at every person's desk now, just like a mobile phone is everyone's pocket, AI is going to infuse in our life no matter what. It's just, are you taking are you going to be part of the opportunity to win? So is there a long-term opportunity? Absolutely. It's driven by relentless pace of technology and technological advancement and customer expectation. All right, third thing, the greatest challenge from here. Once you have created your AI agency, the greatest challenge that I see at this point in time, for those of us that is taking this up, I think after signing up the initial few clients, the challenge will be, one, do we have the right talent? So can we find the people that is excited for this, that is highly skilled with AI, that wants to learn this and integrate it into these machine, the data, working with software engineers to stay ahead of the game? So the challenge is about, can we communicate with each other and break down these walls between humans? A lot of computer engineers are going to be really good, right, with coding and that. Can we share our ideas in a way and talk to each other that we can have group together top talents that has the right skills to keep going ahead? So yeah, keeping the team motivated and engaged is going to be critical. Or forming a team, right? Forming a team of people that will take time away from their maybe main source of income right now and focus on something that has a huge potential. So managing workload is going to be a difficult one. How is people going to navigate away from their maybe like current 9 to 5 in joining a team to manage this project and allocating these resources? Who's going to do what? Being really clear on that when leading a team. Is it going to be efficient? Can people take on those roles? Is it going to be overburdened? Are they going to be overburdened and overwhelmed? So it's going to be a balancing act around that. How comfortable people are with tech and the uptake of that information, as well as some capital investment upfront. So we don't know which tech is going to win. So it's like that stack of tech that we decide to take on, hopefully give us that ROI. But because it's moving so fast, no one really knows who's coming out winning in that race. So it's about, can we invest in the right tech early and make a really good tech stack to scale and do what we need to do. Managing those data, once we use these different technology, do they all talk to each other? That's going to be like the tech challenge, but it should iron itself out easily too, because technology has just advanced that much rapidly. So the other challenge is really marketing effort. So once we know the possibility of that, how can we get the market excited? How can we get clients to be excited? How can we get businesses excited to jump on board and give it a go? Because it takes it away. It's like it takes them away from the existing thing to try this thing out. So how can we make it so exciting so that they want to take up this project, this challenge, integrate AI? And then it's really just adapting to market changes because it's ever growing. There is just a huge amount of resources that is available right now, a really affordable rate, but because they are all affordable and because the market entry is so low, it means competition will be fierce. So it's around who's going to be in the race and who has the most time and access to the resources and team members that is integrating well to be able to keep up with the trend and customer expectation. So maintaining excellence and keep over delivering to value to your clients and businesses is going to be the biggest challenge here. In conclusion, build your AI chatbot, bank in the opportunity that is ahead of you, and keep growing.